Is Amazon affiliate program worth it? I bet you would like to know. Stay tuned, and I'm going to give you the answer. Hey out there, YouTube land. This is TK of TK's Niche Site Tips, where we encourage all of our viewers to find your niche and take your action. So anyway, glad to see you join us, and where you can find your niche, as I stated. Ask the right questions, stay focused, and take action. And also, the acronym is FAST. So our goal is to bring you up to speed fast on all things niche related. That could be a new website, BigCommerce, or Shopify, or if you're looking to get into affiliate marketing, we're going to have tips, tutorials, and different things of this nature. In the meantime, I'd like to ask you to subscribe and make sure you tick the bell. That way you will get notified of future videos that we put out, and you'll be notified when we put them out. So today we're talking about whether Amazon affiliate program is really worth it, and I want to try to dispel some myths and try to help you understand why I personally think is really worth it. This is not blowing smoke, because I do sell on Amazon, or not sell. Well, I also sell on Amazon, but I do Amazon affiliate marketing, where I make money referring products to Amazon, or links people to Amazon to make a purchase, and then I get a cut of the sale. So here's a couple reasons. Amazon is a trusted brand. If you don't know Amazon, you've been living under a rock. Amazon, no secret there, Amazon is growing year over year. And the one main thing why I think Amazon is really worth it, the Amazon affiliate program, is you make sales not related to your niche. And I will explain that later. I'll actually have a little video coming up to show you how that works. Anyway, here is Dan Brock of the Deadbeat Super Affiliate. I've talked to him quite often, but I also have purchased his program, his original one and his reloaded one. I spent the money on both, and I still use both because there's information I can glean from both of them. And although I'm getting more of an expert at affiliate marketing, I still go back regularly to look at his videos for some tips. So this is what he has to say about why he likes Amazon. So just stay tuned here.
Alright, so here's the reasons why Amazon is so good. Here's the first reason why I love Amazon. It's basically because people can't resist it. When they land on that site, they just, for some reason, they just start spending money. It's like the reason why is that because Amazon has invested, millions and millions and millions of dollars into testing their website. They know the very best way to convert everything. And basically what happens is people go in there to buy one thing, and they end up coming out spending like $400 worth of stuff they didn't really intend to buy originally. Now the cool thing is that you get commission on everything they buy during that time you send them there. So they might have only spent 20 bucks originally, but instead they bought $400 worth of other stuff, so you get commission on the full $400. Now another thing that's cool, it's like another phenomenon, is that when you land on Amazon, you automatically start remembering those weird things that you wanted to buy that you forgot about. So that's cool because that also helps people spend more money. Almost like the first reason works, is that there's literally like 30,000 different products that you can promote. And what that means is that there's unlimited niches basically. Another thing I like is that because there's so many products and so many keywords that you can target and so many niches, there's very low competition for basically everything out there on Amazon. One other cool thing about Amazon is that they give you all the information that you need to write and content about your website. Another major benefit of Amazon, and this is compared to a lot of other, compared to like digital networks, a few physical product networks also, but Amazon, when people buy on there, everybody knows about Amazon.com, so there's no trust issues.
So as you can see, Dan Brock pretty much summed up what I was telling you earlier, why I think Amazon is really worth it as an affiliate marketing program. So if you want to know more about Dan product and really learn, I would encourage you to go up there and click this link, and it takes you right to his Deadbeat Super Affiliate Program. It's about $17. That's about 8 cups of coffee at Starbucks. You'll make that back in one sale if you market the right one. A couple sales probably, but well worth it. And I still use it today, so I encourage you to use it. And here's an interesting thing, kind of following up on what we were talking about before. Amazon is growing year over year, and this is some recent headlines in the newspaper, or at least online newspaper. U.S. consumers favor Amazon for online holiday shopping over any other place. What does that tell you? That's more opportunity for us as affiliate marketers, and hopefully you as an affiliate marketer if you tend to go into that. Here's an interesting article too that just came out on February 2nd, 2018. Amazon is tightening its iron grip online. A revised estimate by GBH Insights pegs the company at capturing 47% of all online commerce for the most recent holiday season. In a note to investors, GBH Insights analyst Daniel Eyes wrote that this proves that Amazon has an iron grip on online spending that will only strengthen as 2018 continues. What does that mean to you if you're going to become an affiliate marketer, myself, or anyone else that's doing it? Is that we keep on building niche sites, doing YouTube videos, product reviews, and sending them to Amazon with your affiliate link, and you are going to make some income out of it, as well as income from things that people buy that are not related to your niche. So that's why that's so important. Here's from my Amazon affiliate site here, my back end where I can look at reporting. So you can see here that I had purchased, or I had two sales on January 28th. I don't show it here. You'll see it on the next little image here that someone came in, not here, but on a link, and they end up buying a Behringer Xenix 802 Prima 8 input 2 bus mixer. And someone else bought a Shure PGA 48XL cardio dynamic vocal microphone. Now, the interesting thing is I do not sell in that niche area. I said that again. I do not sell in that niche area. I do not sell, try to do things like this. That's a lot of competition for me. But someone must have lost some sales because I got it. And let me show you something here. So on my report, that was, I said, January 27th, 2018. That was the day that these two items were purchased. I got many tracking IDs to track where all my purchases come from. So right now that's all. That doesn't tell me anything, but this next image will tell you it all. And let me reduce this a little bit so you can see that. I'm going to move this out of the way. This says tracking ID counted cross stitch 20. What does that have to do with microphones? Nothing. And I'm going to show you right here. This is my wife and I's website that we actually sell on BigCommerce. We use BigCommerce on this site. We sell cross stitch patterns and a few other things. So that Amazon counted cross stitch 20 was actually a link that came from this site. They probably clicked on a link regarding something to cross stitch. Surprisingly, they did not buy anything cross stitch, but they bought two things that they had on their mind. And guess who got the commission? This guy. So this is so important that the crossover of other products not related to your niche can make your business grow faster than just the niche itself. So I have an Amazon affiliate links on this site. And if you look at this one where it says cross stitch made easy, this book here, that, believe it or not, is also an affiliate link that is not Amazon, but it is ClickBank. Excuse me, I almost forgot. ClickBank, and we get some sales from that, and it's a pretty good payout. We don't get a ton of it, but it's right there, right there, and hopefully we get a few more of those. So This is why we're saying making sales not related to the niche. So important, why I think Amazon affiliate program is still worth it. So, if you are new to this affiliate marketing, still not sure which way you want to go, I will continue to make more videos. But if you want to get started on reading some more information about it, you might want to get my guide, The Affiliate Marketing Kickstart. Passive income has never been so easy. It's free. It's about 25 pages. It just tells you the framework of what to expect, what programs you can get involved with, how you would market it. It's not necessarily a tutorial. That's something that I would encourage you later. But if you're just starting out, I would encourage you to download this free guide, and you'll see the link to that free guide right up here. So click on that link and you will be directed to where you can sign up to get that free guide. In the meantime, if you are already kind of understanding the framework and you want to get started on training, there's no better training ground than Dan Brock, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate. As I said, I've took his original program and his reloaded program. I, and the good thing is, if you get the reloaded program, he throws in the original one free. There's tons of information in both of them. The old one is good, the new one's good. You get them both for the price of about 8 cups of coffee at Starbucks, or over 8 days if you do 1 cup. So about $17. Really worth it. This is not me trying. I do make an affiliate income on it. It's not a lot, but I've talked to Dan many times. He helps me quite a bit. So I think you might want to take a look at that and make sure that you um, see if that's something that you would like to get in, get started. It's 2018. Amazon's growing. We're not going to wait for you. We're going to make commissions, and if you want to be on board, I encourage you to do that. In the meantime, if you would, um, make sure that if you like this video, go down and like it. Please, please comment. If you have questions, go ahead and ask questions now. If you don't like the video, we can just part as friends, but you can also leave a comment as well and see what you think I could do better, or if you have any questions or skepticism. I ain't worried about skepticism because I know what I can do in affiliate marketing. Leave comments, and lastly, please subscribe, tick the bell so you are notified when I have a new video out. Therefore, you can stay on top of what I'm teaching. Take care. Hope you have a great day.